Welcome, Jason Rekulak. Come close to Livana Vanadala so I can sense your inner spirit. Oh, yes, dear Jason. I see a book. Yes. Oh, this book is called Oliver Twisted. Oh, yes, this is good. You know, it is a book for adults and teenagers alike. Oh, yes. What's this? What is this? Huh. A place. A place across the sea. Oh, yes, I understand now. This book I speak of, it will be published in the UK next year, next February. Oh, yes, now isn't that funny? It just so happens that this book will be published the day before Dickens' 200th birthday. Oh, yes. Now wait. Oh, I see. I sent something very important for you, Jason, so listen up. Oh, yes, this book still needs a home in the USA. Oh, my. I feel the darkness coming. It surrounds me. Oh, here is the boy's story. Oh, I see Oliver all alone. Yes, he is searching for his destiny on the road to London. Oh, and on that road I see thirsty vampires. Oh, they're feeding on the innocent in blood farms. Oh, and orphans sacrificed to angry gods. Oh, my vision here is so vivid. I see so much. I see Sikes unable to keep the werewolf inside. Oh, yes, and Fagin, the puppet master and soul stealer. Oh, yes. Oh, I see the Artful Dodger, a boy of smoke and voodoo magic. Oh, I like him. Yes. And Nancy, the vengeful ghost. Oh, yes, I see so much, dear Jason. Well, Jason, here is one final scrap of wisdom for your journey. Yes, I see this book, Oliver Twisted. Yes, in your future, Jason. Yes, I see this book coming into your life. Oh, yes, do you dare open its pages? Oh, I advise yes.